Hi, everyone. So today we're going to talk about the neuroscience of schizophrenia, the neuroscience of psychosis. And I'm just going to try to highlight theories that I think are relevant or the theories that are important. Obviously, as with almost every discussion that tries to happen in less than 10 minutes, this might not be exhaustive. So it seems to be on a large scale, the brain networks are more disorganized or randomized. And that's a technical term. So you could understand the organization of brain networks as existing on a spectrum that goes from very regular to random. And some of the technical properties that define regular networks are that they are highly clustered. That is, you could think of a network as comprising regions connected to other regions. Those connections could be functional or structural. But you can imagine multiple regions, and in a regular structure, each neighboring region are tightly connected, so they are very clustered. And what it also means is that any given region or node in the network is not as likely to be connected to a region in a distant place. So you have the formation of tightly knit communities. On the other hand, for a random network, there is that less clustering, and the probability of any region being connected to any other region is higher. And so you have more diffuse interactions. So, and some of the terms used to describe these sort of organizations are segregation, so, and integration. So for regular networks, they are highly segregated and not as integrated. For random networks, they're a little bit more integrated because of the high probability of connections between distant regions. There's an intermediate network structure called small world that combines features of regular networks and random networks. So it mixes or finds that fine balance between segregation and integration. And typical brains tend to be more in that small world intermediate state. And schizophrenic brains tend to be more randomized, where you have more diffuse connections, and they have a, we could say, disorganized structural organization. That's all for now. Thank you.